Microsoft just fixed one of Excel's biggest headaches, writing formulas. Introducing Formula Completion, powered by Copilot. Now, all you need to do is type equals, and Excel will automatically suggest the right formula based on the data in your sheet. No more guessing the syntax. No more Googling how VLOOKUP works. Here's how it works. When you type equals, Excel analyzes the context of your workbook, the headers, nearby cells, tables, and existing formulas, and suggests the formula you probably need. It even shows you a preview of the result and explains what the formula does in plain English. Start typing equals M, for example, and it'll instantly begin refining its suggestions in real time, showing matches like equals max or equals match, depending on what fits your data best. And it doesn't stop at simple math. You can ask it to calculate year-over-year growth, profit per transaction, or even dynamic arrays, all generated automatically. It can even help with advanced formulas like regex or complex references within a single sheet. Essentially, Excel is now smart enough to understand what you're trying to do before you finish typing. Here's why it's such a big deal. Formulas were always one of Excel's biggest learning curves, even for experienced users. Now, you can write them faster, more accurately, and with less room for error. The feature is currently rolling out for Copilot users on Excel for Web and Insider Beta on Windows, with more language support coming soon. If you've ever been stuck staring at a blank cell, trying to remember where that parenthesis goes, this update is going to save you a ton of time. AI is officially making spreadsheets smarter. And with Copilot now handling formulas, all you need to do is focus on the insights.